Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Holt Bladeworks Specter version 3 Prestige here with me for a quick review, and because this is a pretty cool knife, guys. Overall length is going to be 8.1 inches, 3.6 inch long blade, 4.5 inch long handle. Really cool knife indeed. This is the Prestige version. In fact, you can see a Damascus and pocket clip and Damascus backspacer right over there. So fancier material than the refined version. Really nice mirror washed finish blade going on over there. Really cool. 3D milled scales in a beautiful feather pattern. Really nice anodization on the screws, beautifully done. Internal chamfering, internal skeletonization, beautiful blade, CPM 20 CV steel right there, 3D milled pocket clip, sound, check, sound, check, beautiful. Action, spectacularly smooth, grip, phenomenal. I mean, check. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out the full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.